Crafting custom dental crowns, the artistry behind functional restorations. If you are looking to restore teeth that are damaged or worn out, the dental crown plays vital roles in restoring the function of the tooth and its appearance. The dental crown is a custom-made cap which are positioned over teeth to shield the tooth. The crowns are created to fit the form as well as the size, color, and shape of your natural teeth. This gives patients a natural, seamless smile. In this clip, we'll look at the process of making custom dental crowns and also how important functional restorations are. The process of crafting custom dental crowns. The process of creating custom dental crowns is an intricate process that requires precision as well as ability. The initial stage of the procedure is preparing your tooth in preparation for the crown. This includes removing damaged or decayed parts of the tooth. Then, it is shaped in order to accommodate the crown. When the tooth is ready, then an impression of the teeth is created with dental putty or scanning technology. The impression is created into a mold of the tooth. The mold is then sent to a dentist lab to create the customized crown to be created. The lab is where dentists with experience can use a mold to make a custom crown that resembles the size as well as the shape and coloring of natural teeth. Technicians use top-of-the-line components, such as ceramic or porcelain, to make a strong, natural-looking, and attractive crown. After the crown has been completed, then it's sent back to the dentist for placement. The importance of functional restorations. Functional restorations, including dental crowns, play an important role in maintaining the condition and functionality of the teeth. When a tooth becomes broken or has decay or damaged, it may alter the bite, chewing capability, and general oral health. Dental crowns help improve the function of the tooth and allow people to chew and talk in a proper manner. Crowns also safeguard the teeth underneath from further harm and also prevent bacteria from getting inside the tooth, decreasing the possibility of getting a tooth infection. Dental crowns that are custom made for you are crucial to preserve the beauty of your smile. The decayed or damaged tooth may look unsightly and stifle an individual's confidence. With the help of the custom-made crown, patients can have the natural look of their smile, which enhances their appearance overall. The artistry behind custom dental crowns. The process of creating custom dental crowns demands the highest level of creativity and proficiency. Dental professionals must pay keen concentration to the smallest detail in order to ensure that the crown fits the dimensions, shape, and color of the natural teeth. Additionally, they should be aware of the patient's bite as well as jaw alignment when designing the perfect crown to blend to the surrounding teeth. Apart from technical skills, dental professionals must be able for creating an aesthetic crown that appears natural and blends into the rest of the teeth. They need to be able to recreate the subtle characteristics of natural teeth like the texture and transparency in order to design a crown that does not stand out from the surrounding teeth. The process of creating custom-made dental crowns can be a complex and exact process that requires an amalgamation of technical skills and artistic ability. Through collaboration with a highly skilled dentist and a skilled dentist, patients can create an effective and natural-looking crown that improves their oral hygiene as well as their overall appearance. The bottom line is that custom dental crowns can be an important device for fixing dental decay or teeth that are damaged. If you know the process of making custom-made crowns and their importance as functional crowns, patients can make educated decisions about their dental health. No matter if you're in need of a crown for your teeth or just curious about how it's made, it's essential to appreciate the skills and skill involved in the creation of these crucial restorations.